Hello. Welcome. Let's find a quiet place to practice English. Today, our place is by the sea, far away from the busy world. This is a story about a simple life. It is calm and it is slow. Just listen. Just relax. Silas is the lighthouse keeper. He lives in the lighthouse, all alone. But he is not lonely. The sea is his friend. The light is his purpose. Every evening, as the sun touches the horizon, Silas begins his routine. He climbs the long, spiral stairs. He cleans the big lamp. He makes sure the light is strong and steady. This light is a guide for ships at sea. It helps them find their way and stay safe from the rocks. Silas's job is very important. His life is simple. He wakes up, he watches the sea, he reads his books, he maintains the light. He eats a simple meal of bread and soup and watches the steady glow of his lamp reaching across the dark water. It is a quiet life. It is a good life. Now, let's learn the new words from our story. Steady, not moving or changing. Strong and constant. Example, the light is steady. Glow, a soft, warm light. Example, I see the glow of the lamp. Routine, the things you do every day in the same order. Example, my morning routine is simple. Keeper, a person who takes care of a place or an animal. Example, the zookeeper feeds the lions. Silas is a lighthouse keeper. Horizon, the line far away where the land or sea seems to meet the sky. Example, the ship is on the horizon. In the story, we use the simple present tense to talk about Silas's routine. We use it for habits or things that happen regularly. Look, he lives in the lighthouse. He climbs the stairs. He eats a simple meal. Notice the S on the verb for he, she, or it. I climb, you climb, he climbs. Silas's routine gives him a peaceful life. What about you? What is one thing you do every day? In the comments below, tell us about your daily routine. Use the simple present. Example, I drink coffee every morning. Or, I read a book every night. Thank you for learning with us today. Find some peace in your day. Until next time.